Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy bitcoins on Cash App. So the way to buy a bitcoin on Cash App is very simple. Make sure that you stick with us till the end. Follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, you'll need to launch to your Cash App account and log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see the bitcoin icon located right at the bottom. Click on it. As soon as you click on bitcoin, you'll be taken to this kind of page. So click on the buy button located right at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to select the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to purchase. After you're done selecting the amount, click on the next button right at the bottom. And along with that, you'll also be asked to select the type of currency that you wish to buy, and also make sure that you have enough funds in order to buy Bitcoins. After you're done entering all of these details, click on the next button right at the bottom. Now this is going to take you to the confirmation page where you'll be able to see all of your information regarding buying the Bitcoin. So if you're sure about the information, click on the confirm button, and then you successfully purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. In this way, you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.